Hello and welcome to another interior real estate photography tutorial. Today we are looking at a bathroom and we're going to be working on my new favorite found technique using two blending modes, and I'm going to show you how we're going to run with this and making this super simple and quick. So all you're going to need is an ambient layer, which we're looking at right here, and then underneath it we have our flash layer. Notice my flash layer, it pretty much eliminates the glare off the shower glass doors, and it pretty much helps us with blown out tungsten lighting above the sink here, and of course we get a nice clean window view. Now the secret behind this is to make sure that your flash layer is evenly lit. Now again, we do have a shadow right here, but that is not going to pose a problem. We do have pretty even ambient light, although it is messy. We have color casts all over the place, so just using this alone would not be ideal. So I'm going to show you a quick, simple technique on how to merge these two images, and this pretty much works for anything. The thing that I will say though is when you're shooting and you're starting to learn this technique is to make sure, however you have to get it, and I'm going to get into this in more detail in some more complex rooms, some bigger rooms, is your main goal when you're popping flashes is, can I build an even flash layer within all my flash pops to do what I'm about to show you right now. This particular case, it just took one flash pop above the camera, and then we're going to be able to work with this. So if you haven't seen my latest video prior to this one, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take that flash layer and move it to the top, and we're going to do Command J to duplicate that. Now I'm going to shut the top layer off for now just to show you how awesome this is, but we're just going to highlight that top layer and come up here and change the blending mode to color. Now look at that. That basically does what luminosity does to the ambient layer, color does to the flash layer. So now that we've got this, we really have lost the flash. We got the color, the correct color from the flash, but now we need to reintroduce this, and so we're going to change the top layer, that one we duplicated, to darken. And to me, that is just about it. You could always just do a simple layer mask, leaving it white, making sure black is selected over here, and painting in more ambient light if you wanted it. Like, remember how I said that we had that shadow? We can just get rid of that shadow right here. And see if we start to... We could have done a flat shower pop, but that glare isn't too distracting. Yes, we could have probably moved the towel and that stuff in there. Yeah, don't judge me on that stuff, just the technique here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You flatten this image, right click it, flatten image, and we're going to Command S to save it, and it'll bring it back into Lightroom for us. Okay, and once it's into Lightroom, I just hit it with my initial or my final bump there. You can tweak the blacks if you want. I really hardly ever mess with the vibrance and saturation, just from the blacks up. And that is it, folks. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions or concerns about this method, and hit that thumbs up button that lets the YouTube know that you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.